We have a very long driveway. I've lived in Chicago area all my life, in Naperville pretty much. And we were sick and tired of pulling snow out, sick and tired of winter, and we leave quite often. So we travel quite a bit, and we wanted to be able to do so without worrying about the drive. So we found Mike and his crews, and I tell you, we've been nothing but impressed. First time I used him was about 6 weeks after we signed. We had an early snow. We got 6 inches, and the first day we got the guys out about 7 p.m. About 1 o'clock in the morning, they showed up again. And then we got a couple more inches, and by the time I got up to leave for the office at 7 a.m., it was clear again. So they come 24/7, which is something I'm impressed with. They'll do the work quickly, efficiently, and they clean it up and take off, and you don't even know they were there. So to us, it's been a great relationship. We're very happy, and we'd recommend them highly to, basically anybody.